Hey, welcome everyone. Pat Mitchell here from Tricktrades, and today we are going to go over a couple of things on the Interactive Brokers platform, the Trader Workstation Pro platform. First of all, a lot of people ask me that are kind of new to trading or new to the platform, how do I get the triangles for my entries on these charts? So number one, we're going to go to that. And then also people are also asking me, how do I get an options chart to pop up on Interactive Brokers Pro or the Trader Workstation Pro platform? So we're gonna go over that. We'll make this a real quick and painless video for you guys. Let's get right into it here. So first of all, how do we get the triangle for trade or your entries put onto the chart? Number one, what you wanna do is link an order entry, which is this, a options chain, which is this, and a chart. Link them all. Do you see this little chain link? If you don't see it, it's probably because you have your charts compressed or your order manager too compressed. So pull them out a little bit, expand them, click this, and pick a group. Now, I'm gonna give you a little tip here. Sometimes it won't link, okay? Just change your group color, change your color. For whatever reason, it fixes it. Sometimes you can lock and unlock, and that'll fix it as well. So like I said, if you ever run into a problem where it doesn't link, that's fine, just do that. So now let's put up we'll type in a ticker. We already have SPY in, just double click this white box area or type on the chart whatever stock you want. So we're gonna use the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. So with that, now we go into this little gear right here, your configure. Go into this configure font area. Okay, so now you got a bunch of stuff, right? Real easy. Highlight on chart. My trades as triangles. You can also do dashes. I prefer the triangles. So here you go. You just make sure that that is clicked and then you hit apply and that's it. Easy peasy, folks. So that's that part. Now, how do we get an options chart to pop up? Well, same thing here, guys. Link a order chain, an options chain to a chart. Don't use a thumbnail chart, just use chart. So if you need to open up a chart, you go into new window, you come into chart, and you click chart. Not thumbnail chart, just chart. And then one will pop up and you'll be good to go. Okay, so then you want to choose whatever strike you're looking at. Let's say we're looking at the 364 puts. Boom. Double click on that and it'll pop up. And there's your options chart. If you want the 363 calls, come on to this side and double click there. Don't click on the bid or the ask because that'll throw up a limit order in here depending on your settings. So you can click the volume or you can click the delta and that'll pop up. And there you go, there you have it. It's just that easy, folks. Another thing I would recommend is anytime you're using a new platform, just start fiddling with things, get to know it. There's only so many buttons that you can really click here, right guys? Especially when you see a configure icon. I know Interactive Brokers and Trader Workstation Pro can be a little overwhelming because when you start getting into things like, man, there's a lot of shit you guys can do. Like you can do a lot of stuff in here, okay? Like there's a lot of stuff you can do. And I know it can be overwhelming, but I just suggest start fiddling around, get to know this stuff, and that's how you become a professional in every way, shape, or form when it comes to being a trader. So I hope this helps, folks, and I hope you learned something, and we'll catch you on the next one. Adios, guys.